How do you light the night?
Fire up the 2400 Bs and the 120-foot Condor. Give me the 80-foot Condor moon bounce.
This is one of the biggest challenges cinematographers face.
We're getting flared, so we're gonna need an eyebrow on the camera.
And now, it's time to uncover what's rarely discussed.
Is moonlight blue? Is it gray? Or is it white?
I'll show you how to transform your filmmaking after that sun goes down.
All right, let's talk blocking. We're gonna dive into landscape lighting and ground bounces.
Whether you're shooting a Hollywood blockbuster or an indie film, the principles remain the same. Lighting is key, and I'll teach you to harness it.
When you're doing night exteriors, you gotta bring the big guns. We immediately go into handheld, and that handheld ramps up, just like the lighting emotion.
I've worked on over 30 feature films, illuminating iconic movie sets, and now I'm sharing everything I know with you. I'll take you on set with me and my team.
And then do you want to cut down intensity on those 2400s?
Joe, I'm gonna go just to the left of this tree, right?
Yeah.
Copy that.
As we film the opening scene from the short film Quiet Hour and show you the entire process from theory.
Now let's start to shot list this baby. And that starts with keyframes.
To pre-light.
We're gonna go through what I would love in this Condor.
All the way to the final shot.
Hurry up, my heels are killing me.
Cut, cut, cut. That looked really good. All right, we got it.
My goal is to elevate your night cinematography.
Bring up the key light 10 points.
Teach what is never discussed.
See, that looks silvery to me.
And inspire you to transform your storytelling. The night is waiting. Let's light this baby up.